As you may have noticed, the training to become helicopter pilots is complex. Not that airplane pilots have a simple life. It takes perseverance, commitment, passion to become pilots of both these wonderful categories of aircraft. However, the world of the rotary wing is really tough. If up until this tutorial you've had difficulty in understanding what it takes to become a helicopter pilot, now we will give you a summary by macro areas which perhaps can be useful to you. Here are the 4 possible scenarios that you can choose to attend. Let's start with the first scenario, the simplest. The modular without instrument flight qualification. We're talking about 185 hours of flight divided by step with the theoretical ATPL course included. This course, depending on the type of aircraft you will fly during your training, can cost between 85 and 95,000 euros. The second scenario is the one that also includes instrumental flight qualification. As we have already explained in the CPL helicopter tutorial, you can replace part of the hour building phase with the first 40 hours of basic instrumental training on the simulator and then complete the twin engine part after the license. This somewhat complicated method allows you to take advantage of all the flight and simulator hours in order to maximize costs. Only with helicopters is it possible to follow this path because airline pilots have to fly at least 1,000 hours as PIC before finishing the CPL, and therefore are unable to fit the basic instrumental part into the hour building. The final part of the IR on the twin engine can cost between 40 and 50,000 euros depending on the machine used. The third scenario concerns the integrated. The cost of the course without instrumental qualification is between 60 and 70,000 euros because they contain less hours than the modular one. However, if you then want to achieve the IR, you will have to carry out all of the simulator hours that you previously had, in part embedded in the hour building, and therefore the complete qualification will cost between 50 and 60,000 euros. Fourth scenario, integrated ATP IR. Underlying all the didactic complexities of this path, the integrated ATP IR is in any case the most complete course there is because it already has the commercial license, the instrumental flight qualification, the qualification on twin-engine turbine helicopter, and the MCC course. The cost of this scenario varies between 120 and 140,000 euros, again depending on the type of helicopters used. Now, trying to summarize the costs a bit, if for your career you want to reach the final result including CPL with theoretical course, ATPL, IR or twin-engine helicopter and MCC, whatever scenario you decide to attend, the cost will be between 120 and 150,000 euros. If on the other hand you want to spend a little less by renouncing the instrumental license, you can choose whether to attend the integrated CPL, cheaper but to be paid in 2 years, or whether to attend the modular CPL, more expensive but delayed over time. Remember when collecting quotes from schools to always ask which vehicles you will fly on and above all the included and excluded costs, because there will be a lot of difference between one quote and another. If you have any questions or curiosities, contact us at info@checkbeforeflight.com or refer to the definitions in Wiki Before Flight. Happy landings.